Nope. Show them how the zip line works.
One zip line and one swing or nothing, Daddy.
Well, might just be nothing then.
Okay, then nothing. Okay, then nothing.
Okay.
Whatever. I really want one last swing though, Daddy.
What's the matter? Something in your teeth? I know it. I'm going to try to run with you and keep it smooth, but I don't know if I can do it. I'm going to try.
I'll turn on flower mode. Turn off flower stabilizer. Daddy!
Yep. Ah!
Are you on video right now?
Yep. It's recording.
Hello, everybody. Here's how you use the brake. Ready, set. Hello, I just stopped brake.
It worked, didn't it?
Hello, I just stopped. This is it.
All right. What do you think? One thumb up? Two thumbs up?
One thumb up.
One thumb up.
But I wanted to do a swing.
Yeah. We'll get to do that next time.
No, no, just